The show is called DSK Toyota. Good morning, Pune. On Youth Incorporated, which is India's largest youth forum on radio, we talk about the dreams and fancies and aspirations of the generation that we call Youth Incorporated. And we talk to innovators who talk about their ideas that clicked. We talk to entrepreneurs who did things differently. And in this series, we have with us Dr. Tarita Shankar today. She's the chairperson, Indira Group of Institutions. And Dr. Shankar, the question that I have is, what would you like to suggest to young entrepreneurs who would like to be like you, who would like to do, things like you've done, achieve what you have achieved?
I have always been like, every year upon year, I keep writing and mentoring thousands of students. And two, three of the things which never change in my mentoring. One is that be honest to yourself and to those around you. And never expect from people, just keep giving. Just walk your path irrespective of what others think of you, if you believe that you are doing the right thing. And the third thing is very important, that there is no alternative to hard work. Whether success comes or not, hard work is most important, absolutely. And never to keep working or doing your hard work thinking that you're going to achieve something at the end of it. No, just keep doing it. And I'm sure, if you do it with that kind of, absolute conviction that yes, what you're doing is right and never give up what you're doing, I think you'll always achieve it, always.
Dr. Tarita Shankar, chairperson, Indira Group of Institutions, is with us on 94.3 Radio 1 Youth Incorporated.
Radio 1 Youth Incorporated, presented by Indira Group of Institutes, Pune. Aspire today, inspire tomorrow. For details, visit Indira EDU.
We have with us an entrepreneur who has done things in a way that no one else was doing, and she succeeded. Dr. Tarita Shankar, she is the chairperson of Indira Group of Institutions. Ma'am, the next question that I have for you is, being a woman, do you think it was tougher for you to achieve what you have achieved?
No, I don't think so. In fact, let me give you both sides of that same coin. When people say, that you're a woman and it must have been tough, I said, no, I think that being a woman, it was a little easier for me. Two ways. One was that women are more, integrated and their integrity levels are much more higher than men, obviously. And I was very, very honest to myself and to people around me. So it was never difficult for me. And if you're strong, I feel very strong. Nobody can ever take you for a ride. No men, no amount of people in the society can do anything wrong to you if you're strong and believe in what you're doing. And being a woman, I think I had that integrity and I was more emotional. And I think that emotional side of me was so important and appealing to people that things became easier for me instead of becoming difficult.
Wow, I'm sure there must be a lot of women listening to you right now, and this will be really helpful for them to achieve what they want in their lives.
Radio 1 Youth Incorporated, presented by Indira Group of Institutes, Pune. Aspire today, inspire tomorrow. For details, visit indiraedu.com.
And the education minister, offering that I should start an institution. So came like a bolt out of, like a lightning bolt, out of the blue. That, okay, overnight he said that, you have to start your own institution as Maharashtra government is opening up, with private education. And it's me who's going to give all the permission. So I want you to start a college. And it was like starting a college that time, for me, it was the way he said it. It was like just going, and opening some small shop or something somewhere. And it just happened overnight. And we decided to go with it, whatever he said. And the next day the process started. And within 6 months, the first Indira Institute of Management had already started. After that, of course, as you know, there was no turning back.
Yeah. On Radio 1 Youth Incorporated, we have with us Dr. Tarita Shankar. She's the chairperson, Indira Group of Institutions.
Radio 1 Youth Incorporated, presented by Indira Group of Institutes, Pune. Aspire today, inspire tomorrow. For details, visit indiraedu.com.
Youth Incorporated पर आज हमारे साथ है chairperson, Indira Group of Institutions, Dr. Tarita Shankar. Dr. Shankar, you've been an inspiration for a lot of people. Who inspired you to do the work that you're doing and continues to inspire you?
From my childhood, actually, the one woman who really inspired me, besides my mother and my father, two people have been my inspiration since my childhood. But Indira Gandhi was another woman who always stood out apart as a woman, who I looked up to in my life, and that's the reason that Indira Group is named after Indira Gandhi. And otherwise, after that, I have never taken one person as an inspiration. Whenever I've come across people with some good things that they have, I have always tried to incorporate those things in my life. Always try to see that whether a person is a small child, a 10-year-old child, or a 50, 60, 70-year-old person, if they inspire me to do something, I've always taken that as an inspiration and never thought that whether he is a well-known person or no. But yes, at the end of everything, my mother and my father have been my largest biggest inspirations in life.
Dr. Taritra Shankar, thank you so much for giving us your time. It was lovely talking to you.
It's my pleasure. Absolutely wonderful talking to you as usual.
94.3 रेडियो 1 पर आप तरुण के साथ हो और ये शो है DSK टोयोटा गुड मॉर्निंग पुणे और चल रहा है रेडियो 1 यूथ इनकॉर्पोरेटेड.
Radio 1 Youth Incorporated, presented by Indra Group of Institutes Pune. Aspire today, inspire tomorrow.